Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today is 18th May. The time is 7:10 p.m. I'll let you guys know regarding my study prep, like my progress update later on, because now, like in less than an hour, I'll get to know whether I got a seat in MIT Manipal or not. And it's a really mixed feeling. One part of me wishes that I do not get a seat in MIT so that I still study nicely for BitSat, and another part of me wishes that I do get a seat in MIT so that I'm free from all these things, free from studying, free from, uh, you know, this JE, this drop year, this rat race that I'm in for the past 3 years. So I really, like, I don't know what to wish for, because the two things I wish for are the polar opposites. Alright, so I wish for the best, and I'll let you guys know what the results are after an hour. Hey guys, I got my results, and fortunately, I did not get in. Fortunately, I didn't get in. Now, the only option left for me is BitSat. I'm gonna study for BitSat. I will crack Bits Pilani. Okay. I mean, for good only. Why everything happens for a reason. I didn't get it because I will now, because it was destined that I was supposed to study for BitSat. That was really lame, but anyways, yeah, I didn't get in, and I'm gonna study for BitSat now. I will see you guys late at night.